Hey guys, I'm Dr. Kumra. I briefly touched on this at a previous video introducing the 3D printer. I actually wanted to go in further and talk to you about how we can use it in particular to help your case. So this is it. From a 3D scan of your teeth, we can then use this machine here, which is a 3D printer. So this 3D printer will then print a 3D model of your teeth, like so. And what this does is allows us in the office to then make clear aligners or retainers that fit your teeth. Now from here we can do a lot of cool things. Like I mentioned earlier, we can make retainers, we can make aligners to do minimal movements to kind of finish up a case or something like that. But the coolest thing, being able to do this in office, it controls the cost point for you guys. It allows us to treat minor relapse cases if teeth shift after you get your braces off. It'll also let us do simpler things with more control in the office. So guys, I'm super excited about this thing. The office is really in tune with the latest technology, and however we can make our process more convenient and affordable to you guys. This thing is really something I pride myself on. I've been actually looking for this thing for about 18 months, and we finally pulled the trigger this early this year. So it allows us to treat more cases at an affordable cost point for you, let you smile big and bright. You know, that's one of my big things. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Dr. Kumra. If we can do anything to help you, please give me or my staff a call. Thanks.